Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Trekmaster30, and this morning, a few hours ago, it's 8 o'clock now, so around 6 o'clock this morning I was up and about and going through my bucket of locks I have that I keep my locks that I picked on my channel, and I was going through them, make sure they all had tags, and I come across this one, excuse me, by Trekmaster30. He titled it Metro, and it's a 5-pinner, quick set style keyway. And I said, I must have picked this already on my channel because it's in the already picked, bucket. And it was missing a tag. It's all my locks that I pick have a tag on it saying the date that I picked it, and it was missing it. So I went through all my my archives of my videos, and lo and behold, I missed it. I didn't pick it. So let's see if I can get into it now. I don't know how I missed it. And this lock was given to me back in December 14th, 2016. So that's how long ago? It's the one I did the two box openings. I opened up 2 packages on that same video. Bobby Keys and Trekmaster30s. So anyway, without further ado, let's see if I can get into this baby. And I apologize, Trekmaster30, that it's taken me this long to get to this. It hangs up a little bit, but it's a challenge lock, so let me show you the bitting again. Come on, baby. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to start out with the Spp'd Attila and 50 thousandths top of the keyway. Let me get this a little closer to me. And bring it down. Come on, baby. And get in. All right. Start on the back. Let me see here. I want to make sure my mitts. Okay, cool. All right, back. I got a click and movement on 5. Going forward. That was 3. That was 2. Nothing. That's just warding. That was 5 again. That's just warding coming across. That's 5 again. All right. Let me try this one here from Peterson's. It doesn't have a number, and I forget what it's called. But I hope everyone's doing well. That's 1. Come on, baby, focus. My camera's like me. ADD. I hope everyone's doing well. So start in the back. was 3. Fell into a deeper false set. Moderate tension. Nothing. I hit 2. That's 5 again. Bouncing on 1. Alright, let me go back to the tiller. 1 or 2? I think that's 1. Come on, baby. I'm going to lose everything. Alright. I lost a little bit of the false set. Started at the back and I'm coming forward again. Alright, 1 sees everything up. Hold on. I got like my arms all stretched out in front of me. Okay. All right, that was 1. And 2. 2, it opened on 2. Cool, that's a fun lock, man. I know you guys are tired of hearing me say this, but I love it. I love a lock with a lot of feedback. It makes a pick enjoyable. When you have a, excuse me. Oh, sorry. When you have a lock that doesn't talk to you, it's not a fun pick. And those are my wackadoodle cats. They probably thought it was snack time and they came running down. Okay, like that. Gonna try to gut this and talk about a little something that's coming up. I'm approaching my 100th video. I am waiting on one particular package to come in before I do the video that I would mention. This is the video that you want to comment on if you want to get in on the giveaway I have, and that's also the video that I'll show you what I have to give away. And so it should be in next couple of days. Once that comes in, I'll do the video for that, the announcement for that, for the giveaway, and then it's just a matter of getting to want the 100th video and doing the drawing. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to doing it. And I want to thank everyone that subscribed and watched me grow from a less than average picker, to somewhat a better picker now. I still can't, even though I've been doing it for 2 years, I still can't compete with the likes of Trekmaster30, Pick Me, Steel Pinnings, guys like that. Because even though I have 2 years under my belt, about maybe a year and a half of that, it's just been picking quick sets and schlegs, and not even challenge locks. I didn't start doing that until like 8 months ago maybe, when I did my channel. Then I did my channel. And then I started getting some real locks, and I've gotten a little better. Not much, but I've gotten a little better. And I do it for you guys, man. It's fun, and the more people subscribe, the more I'm up to getting up and doing it. All right, so enough babbling. Come on, baby, focus. So you can see here, we got threading on 1, 3, and 5, I believe, and undercut on 2 and 4, but won't know for sure until I dump the pins out. Let's get the key in, and you can see number 3 is a T-pin, and they work beautifully. All right. Let me get this. One is serrated. 2 is a double spool serrated type. 3 is serrated with a like a T-pinish on the top. 4 is serrated, and 5 is a mini-me double spool, or a serrated spool, I'm sorry. And I was wrong. All 5 of the chambers on the plug is threaded. Go here. Yeah, so I'm really excited to do this giveaway. Okay, in the Bible, position number 1 is serrated with a loosely wound copper spring. Number 2, wow, it's a spool, but the center of the spool has is serrated as well. Okay, another copper. Okay, 3 is serrated with copper spring, and it's a little tiny, so it's a little shorter than the other ones. And I have not slept in 3-4 days at all. Okay, so what we got here is a spool serrated driver pin with a what do you call that, reduced diameter on the top, and oh, that's 5, I'm sorry, not sleeping is getting to me. All right, okay, and 4 is serrated, and there we go, guys. Let's focus on that. Come on. So let's go over these quickly one more time. And position 1 T-pin is serrated with a small diameter on the top. Another serrated spool. Then we have here in the Bible serrated spool with serrations in the spool, serrated, and it's spool serrated with a small diameter on the top, and all the way across the top of the springs are all copper. So guys and gals, if you like what I do, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Stay safe, stay legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks everyone for joining me in this adventure, man. Trekmaster30, thanks for this lock, my man. It was a fun one. And take care, guys. Bye-bye.